Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In the last video, I've taught you guys how to press A on a laptop keyboard. In this video, I will show you guys how to press B on a laptop keyboard. So as you can see, this is the laptop keyboard, and over here, there is the B button. If you press B, let's see what happens on the display. See, the B is on the display as well. But it's a small b, and on the keyboard there's a capital B. If you want to write capital B, then hold Shift and B. Let's try it again. It works. And if you're too lazy to hold the Shift button, just press Caps Lock and B. See, it works. If you want to get back to small b, then just press the Caps Lock button again and see if the light turns off or not. If it turns off, then the caps lock is off. So as we press it, the light goes off, which means the caps lock is off. Let's press the B button again. See, we're back to the small b. Let's try it again. So that is the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys will find this helpful. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel.